My name is Nur Irafalina binti Muhammad Yusuf. My student ID is 2023845682. I am from AS120 Group 2 from UITM Sabah branch Kota Kinabalu. So today I'm going to present my slide. My slide topic is chemical nomenclature. Yes. So this is related with chemistry. So I think this is a good topic that I can present. Okay. So let's start. This is a subtopic I will talk about. I will tell you today. So first subtopic is naming ions. Second is naming ionic compounds in bracket metal polyatomic anion. Third is hydrated ionic compounds, and the last one is naming molecular compounds. So let's go. Okay, we are going to the first subtopic is naming ion. Okay, how to naming an ion? Naming an ion, it's ion is given to two ion. It's metal and non-metal. So the first is metal ion. Okay, in metal ion you need to maintain the name of the ion, and you need to add the ion at the end of the metal. So for the example is sodium ion. So you add the ion at the end of the sodium. Okay, that's it. Next we're going to anion. It's a non-metal ion. Okay, in non-metal ion you need to add IDE to the element name. So it's changed from, like in my slide, chlorine, it's changed to chloride. So you need to put IDE. So this is the table that you can refer to look for the ion that already changed. It's already naming. Okay, you can look for it here. Okay, now we're going to our second subtopic is naming ionic compounds. It's often a metal past to non-metal. I already give the example for this, so it's quite easy. You just like look at the example given. So metal polyatomic anion. Okay, positive charge species on the left. The positive charge species is on the left. The positive charge using stock method or a common name. The negative charge species is on the right. It's using a name of polyatomic ion. In this case, you need to use the parentheses if it needed. Okay, and this is the example for this metal polyatomic anion. Okay, next is the hydrated ionic compounds. So hydrates are compounds that have specific number of water molecules attached to them. Number of water molecules is shown after a dot and is named by a Greek numerical prefix before the word hydrate. So in this table, okay, shown a number and the prefix. The number 1 is mono, 2 di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, 9 nona, and 10 is the deca. So you need to add the prefix to the ion that given. So for the example is Na2SF4 dot 10 H2O. So you can refer to the periodic table to know the name. So the Na2SO4 is sodium sulfate. So after the dot, you need to add the Greek numerical, the prefix. So like 10. There are 10. So I put 10. You need to look for the number. It's 10. Over there it's a 10. So the prefix is deca. So you need to put there sodium sulfate decahydrate. It's easy. So the second example is LiCl dot H2O. After dot there's a number, right? But if there's a number, it means 1. It's referred to 1. So 1 is a mono. So the name is lithium chloride monohydrate. Easy, right? So yeah. Okay. Next is the naming molecular compounds. This is the last subtopic. I'm going this side because this is the last. Okay. Remember to this prefix is same with the hydrate ionic compound, right? So you can just remember one, but it's a two different subtopic. You know, one table but two different subtopic. Okay. This is a non-metals or non-metals plus metalloids. It's a common name. H2O and H3CH4. Okay. So element furthest to the left in a period and closest to the bottom of a group on periodic table is placed first in formula. If more than one compound can be formed from the same elements, use prefixes to indicate number of each of atom. Last element names ends in IDE. So I give you the example here. This is the example. You see is HI is a hydrogen iodide and F3 is nitrogen trifluoride. SO2 is the sulfur dioxide and 2Cl4 is dinitrogen tetrachloride and 2O is nitrogen dioxide and 2O dinitrogen monoxide. So the number prefix is at the end of the element, like N2O. N2 is a 2 over there. It's not for the O, it's for N. So 2 is di, so N is nitrogen, so dinitrogen monoxide. Why monoxide? Because it's 1. O, it's 1, no 0. So monoxide. So I think that's all from me, because this is the last subtopic and Yeah. So thank you for the attention, for the subscribe that will be given, so the like will be given. So this is my slide, this is my presentation. I hope that everyone can understand what I'm going to tell, already tell. So thank you so much. I am Noelia Farina binti Muhammad Yusuf. Bye bye.